This is the SUV that's about to break the internet. Chevrolet just took the most legendary name in American performance and turned it into a fully electrified, AI-powered SUV. And once you see what's under the skin, you'll understand why this might be the most important vehicle Chevrolet has ever built. Welcome back to Rev Culture, your home for everything next generation. From speculative concept reveals to deep dives on the performance machines and future technology reshaping the automotive world. Whether it's a next-gen supercar, a reimagined American classic, or a vehicle that hasn't even hit production yet, this is the channel built for people who live for what's coming next. If that's you, hit subscribe, because today's reveal is one of the biggest we've covered yet. Let's get into it. Imagine a Corvette, but lifted, widened, and reimagined as a 5-seat performance SUV with enough onboard intelligence to make a fighter jet jealous. This 2027 SUV is rewriting everything we know about performance, and it's doing it while hauling the family, the gear, and still outrunning cars that cost twice as much. The 2027 Chevrolet Corvette C10 ZR1X SUV isn't just a new model, it's Chevrolet's boldest statement yet that the Corvette badge no longer belongs only to coupes. It belongs to the future. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why this thing has the entire performance SUV segment on notice. Let's start where every Corvette story should start: the powertrain. Under the skin sits a next-generation hybrid system pairing a twin-turbocharged V8 with a tri-motor electric setup, one motor up front and two independently powering the rear wheels. Combined output is projected at an estimated 100 horsepower and over 950 pound-feet of torque, numbers that put this SUV in the same conversation as hypercars, not family haulers. 0 to 60 is projected at just 2.6 seconds, with the quarter-mile disappearing in the high 9-second range. Top speed is estimated to push past 195 miles per hour, a figure that would have been unthinkable for anything wearing an SUV body just a decade ago. All of this power is distributed through a fully variable all-wheel drive system, capable of true torque vectoring, sending power independently to each wheel for handling that defies the vehicle's size and weight. An AI-driven performance tuning system sits at the core of the experience, constantly reading road surface, tire grip, battery temperature, and driver inputs to adjust torque delivery in real time. Drive modes range from a near-silent stealth EV setting for neighborhood cruising, to a sport mode that balances daily usability with sharper throttle response, all the way up to a full track mode that stiffens the adaptive suspension, firms up steering weight, and engages launch control for consistent, repeatable starts at the strip or the track. The adaptive suspension system uses predictive road scanning sensors to read the pavement ahead and adjust damping before the wheel even hits a bump, smoothing out rough roads while keeping the chassis flat during hard cornering. Regenerative braking recovers kinetic energy under deceleration, feeding it back into the battery pack and extending the SUV's electric-only range. And despite all this performance focus, Chevrolet hasn't forgotten this is supposed to be a usable SUV. Towing capacity is rated at an estimated 7,500 pounds, meaning owners can genuinely haul a boat or a trailer without sacrificing the supercar DNA underneath. Step inside, and the C10 ZR1X feels less like a cabin and more like a command center pulled straight from 2030. A neural network driver assistance suite enables Level 3 conditional autonomous driving on highways, allowing hands-off, eyes-on driving in qualified conditions. The system continuously learns from the driver's own habits and preferences, refining its responses over time so the SUV feels more intuitive the longer you own it. An augmented reality head-up display projects navigation arrows, hazard alerts, speed data, and performance metrics directly onto the driver's line of sight, layered onto the real world so your eyes never have to leave the road. Biometric access takes convenience even further. Owners can unlock the doors and start the engine with a fingerprint scan or facial recognition, eliminating the need for a traditional key entirely. A cloud-connected smart voice assistant manages everything from climate control and seat adjustments to scheduling service appointments and checking battery status remotely from a phone app. Over-the-air software updates mean this SUV doesn't stay the same vehicle it was on day one. It gets faster, smarter, and more capable through regular updates long after it leaves the dealership, the same way a smartphone evolves over its lifespan. A predictive maintenance system constantly monitors thousands of data points across the vehicle, flagging potential issues before they become expensive problems and scheduling service proactively. Next-generation safety tech rounds out the package. 360-degree sensor fusion combining radar, LiDAR, and camera data to detect hazards well before a human driver could react. The cabin is where the ZR1X really separates itself from anything wearing a Corvette badge before it. Ultra-luxury materials dominate every surface: open-pore wood trim, aerospace-grade aluminum accents, and sustainably sourced leather upholstery that feels as premium as anything from a six-figure luxury brand. The futuristic cockpit design wraps around the driver with a fully digital dashboard, replacing traditional gauges with a configurable display that adapts based on drive mode. Front seats offer heating, ventilation, and active massage functions, perfect for long highway stretches or simply unwinding after a hard track session. A panoramic smart glass roof stretches across the cabin, with electronic tinting that adjusts at the touch of a button or automatically based on sunlight intensity. Ambient AI lighting shifts color temperature and intensity depending on the selected drive mode. Cool blues for stealth EV cruising, aggressive reds for track mode, creating an atmosphere that matches the driving experience. Despite its performance pedigree, the cabin remains genuinely spacious and family-friendly. Flexible seating configurations and fold-flat smart rear seats expand cargo capacity dramatically, making this a legitimate option for road trips, weekend gear hauls, or daily family duty. A wireless device ecosystem keeps every passenger connected without a single cable in sight, and aggressive engineering around noise, vibration, and harshness keeps the cabin remarkably quiet even under hard acceleration, a detail that historically separates true luxury vehicles from merely fast ones. Visually, there's no mistaking this for anything but a Corvette. The futuristic SUV stance carries forward the brand's aggressive proportions, just translated into a taller, wider silhouette. An aggressive next-generation front fascia features sharp, angular intakes designed to maximize cooling for the hybrid powertrain while contributing to the SUV's aerodynamic profile. Adaptive LED and laser lighting systems automatically adjust beam pattern and intensity based on speed, weather, and oncoming traffic, while active aero elements, including a deployable rear spoiler and adjustable front splitter, adjust automatically to manage downforce and stability at high speeds. Premium lightweight forged alloy wheels reduce unsprung mass, improving both performance and efficiency, while a raised ride height ensures genuine off-pavement capability without compromising the SUV's planted stance. Integrated roof rail systems add functional versatility for cargo or recreational gear, and the overall silhouette delivers a road presence that reads as part supercar, part flagship SUV, something genuinely unlike anything else in Chevrolet's lineup, or arguably the segment as a whole. This is a vehicle designed to actually be used, not just admired. A terrain AI management system continuously analyzes surface conditions and automatically adjusts traction control, ride height, and throttle mapping for sand, mud, snow, or rocky terrain. No manual mode selection required in most situations. Hill descent and hill start assist add further confidence for owners who actually plan to take this thing off the beaten path, while the towing intelligence system factors in trailer weight to automatically adjust suspension firmness and braking behavior. Cargo flexibility remains a priority throughout, with configurable rear storage that adapts to everything from a weekend's worth of luggage to bulky gear. Long-distance comfort optimization fine-tunes seat positioning, climate, and ambient lighting during extended drives to reduce fatigue, while adaptive ride personalization learns each driver's preferences over time, gradually tailoring the suspension and throttle response to match individual driving style without ever feeling like it's compromising the Corvette character underneath. So how does the C10 ZR1X stack up against the rest of the 2027 luxury performance SUV field? Against rivals like the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, the Lamborghini Urus, and the Aston Martin DBX, the ZR1X holds a clear and significant edge in raw power and straight-line performance, backed by a more advanced Level 3 autonomous driving suite than anything currently offered by its European rivals. Its technology integration, from the AR head-up display to the predictive maintenance system, also pushes it ahead in terms of sheer innovation. Where competitors may still hold an edge is in decades of brand heritage and prestige, particularly for buyers who value badge cachet above outright capability, and in ultimate low-speed off-road articulation, where some rivals with dedicated off-road packages may have a slight advantage on truly extreme terrain. But when you weigh performance, technology, comfort, and overall value for the money, the ZR1X is positioned to genuinely lead this segment rather than simply compete in it. Efficiency-wise, the hybrid system targets an estimated 42 mpge when running in EV-assisted driving, a major leap forward for a vehicle in this performance class, where competitors are often lucky to crack the low 20s in combined fuel economy. Chevrolet is expected to back the ZR1X with an extended powertrain warranty, given the complexity of the hybrid system, alongside complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first several years of ownership. A meaningful value proposition compared to rivals that often charge a premium for service plans. Insurance costs will likely land in line with other performance SUVs in this price bracket, driven primarily by repair costs and the vehicle's overall performance profile. Long-term durability remains a key question mark for any next-generation hybrid platform, but Chevrolet's track record with the Corvette nameplate suggests rigorous testing before production. Strong projected demand, combined with the novelty of a genuine Corvette SUV, suggests solid resale value is likely, particularly for early production units and any limited special editions that may be offered at launch. The 2027 Chevrolet Corvette C10 ZR1X SUV is expected to be officially unveiled in late 2026, ahead of a global rollout throughout 2027. Multiple trims are anticipated, starting with a base performance variant and scaling up through mid-tier trims to the full ZR1X performance flagship covered in this video. Base trims are projected to start around $135,000, fully loaded ZR1X performance editions pushing past $190,000 once options and special packages are factored in. Limited special editions are anticipated for early reservation holders, likely featuring unique paint finishes, carbon fiber trim packages, and numbered production plaques. Global availability is expected across North America, Europe, and select Asian markets, positioning this as Chevrolet's most ambitious global performance play in the brand's history. The 2027 Chevrolet Corvette C10 ZR1X SUV represents a genuine turning point for the brand, proof that raw performance, true luxury, and next-generation technology no longer have to live in three separate vehicles. It's a Corvette that hauls the family, tows the boat, tackles a snowy mountain road, and still embarrasses six-figure supercars at a stoplight, all while learning and improving the longer you own it. Whether this signals where the entire performance SUV segment is headed remains to be seen, but one thing is absolutely clear. The future of driving just got a lot more exciting, and Chevrolet just planted its flag firmly in the middle of it. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything you need to know about next-generation vehicles.